Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to use ChatGPT for chatbot marketing. Using ChatGPT for chatbot marketing can be a powerful way to engage with customers, provide personalized assistance, and promote your products or services. Here are some steps to effectively utilize ChatGPT for chatbot marketing. First is define your marketing goals. Clarify the specific marketing objectives you want to achieve with your chatbot, such as lead generation or improving customer satisfaction. Next is design a conversational experience. Create a chatbot persona, map out the conversation flow, and incorporate marketing content strategically within the responses. Third is personalized interactions. Leverage ChatGPT's capabilities to tailor responses and recommendations to each user's preferences and needs, enhancing the user experience. Fourth is capture lead and user information. Design the chatbot to capture user information and leads when appropriate, ensuring transparency and obtaining necessary consent. Last is monitor and iterate. Regularly monitor metrics like engagement rates and conversion rates, gather user feedback, and iterate on the chatbot's responses to improve its marketing impact. Remember to strike a balance between marketing objectives and user experience. Providing genuine value and delivering a positive end user experience will increase the effectiveness of your chatbot as a marketing tool. Regularly analyze its performance and refine your strategies to achieve optimal results. So that's it. I hope that you learned something and this video helps. And if you have any questions or comments, can you put it in the comment section below? And make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!